Y'all ready to get lit like me? Y'all ready to get lit like me? Clearly, I'm drunk. So, if you want to get lit like me, continue to watch this video.
I'm in my yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. I'm in my yak, I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man, come get your man.
I want my paid and pretty, yeah. Hair hanging down to my back,
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a drunk makeup tutorial. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube. I know that it's a popular trend right now, but I honestly wanted to try it because first of all, I really don't get drunk like that, and I just want to know, like, if I were to get drunk and then like go out, am I gonna be able to do my makeup? Like, is this shit finna turn out a mess? So if y'all want to see more videos like this, or if y'all want to see more funny content, then please subscribe to my channel and watch other tutorials, because I don't do makeup like this on a daily basis. The thing I want to show y'all is the liquor that I'm going to be drinking. I do have apple syrah, got some cupcake wine. I do like cupcake wine. This is the Moscato cupcake wine, but I couldn't find it in the store, so I got that. But I really didn't know what I was getting, so I'm just gonna drink that too, because it gotta get drunk. Like, nobody else gonna drink it. I was gonna get a shot glass, but we're just gonna say fuck it today. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Pond's cold cream with moisturizer. Mario face spray in the scent lavender. Get my face moist so the product can move around a little bit better. I'll put all of this stuff in the description box, because after I get drunk, I'm probably not going to show y'all no more. So I'm just letting y'all know now that some steps might be skipped and stuff might be stuck. Now that I like an orange, I'm gonna go in and take another shot. The color 10, and then I got the number 4 as well. For the 10, I'm gonna put right here. Like I said, this is very dramatic, so it's gonna look funny for a split sec. While I'm patting this in, I'm gonna go ahead and take me another shot, because I feel like if I don't finish this, then I'm not gonna get drunk. There is quite a bit left though. Okay, so what I basically did off camera while I was on the phone with my mom was finished up my powdering, and I dusted off a little bit right here, and I can continue to dust. And I did a little bit of my contour powder, and I do use the True Complex. Is it True Complex? True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance. So shout out to them for that. Y'all, because this is the part that I've been wanting to see myself. Like, how you gonna do your brows while you been drinking? Like how do that work? So I'm just gonna do a light brow today. I already knew that was gonna be I knew this was gonna be a fool, y'all. I might as well drink some more cause I knew that was gonna be a wreck. I already knew it was gonna be a wreck. And I know I'm drunk cause I ain't even making faces no more. It's just like the only thing I can do is try to shape them as best as I can. Still got a lot. Like I said, y'all, I'm not a drinker, and I am drunk off that a little bit. So don't judge me. It is what it is. If you drink like a fish, then you drink like a fish. I don't drink. Like, I just don't drink like that.
So now we're done with that. We're gonna spray, and then we're gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna take another shot and go. Matter of fact, I'll take another shot right now.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. You know, with my hair done and everything. Well, not done, but down. Yeah, so I really hope y'all like this video. So if you didn't like it, I'm too drunk to care. But I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that post notification bell so you will be updated every time I upload a video. Okay? Until next time. Peace.
I'm a top coon, that's why they hate me. So they throw the sheets on me, I'm going crazy. Got ballistics on my feet, they can't take me. Ain't gonna be the 6 to unlike 80. I been getting so damn geek, I been praying.